Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the company file and QuickBooks environment so offline work is safe. First, back up your company file to an external drive and one additional location. This prevents data loss. Next, switch QuickBooks to single-user mode and disable any automatic cloud sync or bank feeds temporarily so there's no conflict. Once done, open the local copy directly from the backup location. You'll work on the file locally, which keeps changes isolated until you're ready to sync. You'll now execute detailed bookkeeping tasks while offline and maintain a clear audit trail. Keep a simple change log with dates, user initials, and a short note of what you edited so merging later is straightforward. Use memorized transactions for recurring entries and perform bank reconciliations using statement copies rather than live feeds to avoid mismatches. Enter invoices, bills, payments, and adjustments as usual. Make sure not to trigger online banking or third-party sync tools until you're ready to reconcile and upload. Finish by reconciling and synchronizing carefully so no data is overwritten. First, reconcile each account against your paper or PDF statements while still offline to ensure balances match. After reconciling, create a final backup of the offline file. This is your rollback point. Then re-enable Cloud Sync or bank feeds and upload changes. If you encounter conflicts or duplicate transactions, stop, restore the pre-sync backup, and use your change log to manually merge entries. This prevents accidental data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.